Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a Samsung TV that has a black screen that won't turn on. So if you turn it on, it won't turn on. So here's to fix it. So first step is you want to take out the power cord. So if it's plugged right here, you want to remove it for 30 seconds. Just unplug it. So count 30 seconds, and then after 30 seconds you can just plug back in and then try to turn it on. So use your remote and then turn it on, right? So if that doesn't work, we're gonna go to the second step. So the second step is you want to remove the power cord as well. So before you do this, so make sure it's unplugged, and then also on the bottom of the TV you want to locate a button. Usually like on the Samsung TV, mine is located right here on the bottom, but yours can be in the middle or also on the left side. So I want to show you the button is right here. So mine is on the right side, so there's a button right here, and yours can be in the middle or it can have on the left side as well. So just locate the button on the bottom. So with the power unplugged, you want to hold the button right here for 1 minute. So just keep holding, press and hold, and then make sure you hold it for at least 1 minute, and then after 1 minute you can release it, and then you can plug back in your power cord right here to see if that works. So just plug back in, and you want to try to turn it back on and see if that works. And if it doesn't work, we're gonna go to the third step. So you want to go to your circuit breaker. So whatever is your TV is at, so you want to find the outlet where your TV is at. So if it's here, you want to turn off and turn back on, so wherever your TV is. So after you turn off and turn back on the circuit breaker, wherever your outlet is, you want to plug back on the power on your TV and try if that works. And just turn on your TV right here, see if that works. So if you've done all these steps and it doesn't work, please try again, like step 1 to step 3, all over again 5 times, at least 5 times, and most of you will have a working screen by doing these steps. So please let me know in the comment below if that helps you, if you have any problems. Thank you guys for watching. Please give a thumbs up so YouTube can recommend this video to other people who might need help.